Yeah, absolutely. So what's next? What's on the horizon for RackTop?
So we continue to evolve the product to address, the new evolving threats that are going against our customers, as well as to address more threats and create higher sensitivity. We have things like long-term assessors that are doing machine learning on the box in real time that basically create a unique profile for each individual user, so we can determine when something becomes anomalous. But what I really see as kind of our next big jump is really the move into operationalizing data to support AI. So we have a very high performance solution that can provide vast amount of data, and that data continues to expand and grow in our customers. And a big workload that we're starting to see come up is that AI workload requires a lot of data. Not all of it requires high performance because some of it's kind of batchy in storage, but you need to make sure you have the right type of storage to meet those various AI workloads, whether it's things like RAG, the retrieval augmentation, if it's the machine learning part. And so really understanding the AI and getting our folks really familiar with the different ways that people are leveraging Brickstore with AI and how to do that efficiently so that customers can get the most value out of their data more effectively and very quickly. Because I think a lot of people are still, they're interested in AI, they're excited about AI, but if you look at the statistics, there's a lot of projects that start and then kind of stop or fail. So what we want to do is help make those successful as people really dive deeper into AI. I know we use it internally even for internal efficiencies, right? Part of our sales and marketing, things like that. And I'm excited about it. Like I'm starting to look at ways we can do it. And I think, helping our customers leverage their data and operationalize it and turn it real value, right? We've always said data is like the most valuable asset of the organization. And now we want to make it even more valuable for them.
Yeah, absolutely. It seems like that. I mean, that's awesome, right? Because I think we're seeing the same thing. The everywhere you go, everybody wants to talk about AI,
Right.
and everybody wants to talk about these great things you can do with it. And then when it gets time for when reality sets in, it's the conversations we're having with our clients are we have to find our data to properly use AI, right?
Yep.
And
Yep.
so I know that's a lot of what we're focusing on from a Visual One standpoint as well. Is how do we get better insight into where the data is, what the data is, so then we can really start to your point, leverage the right data, get it in the right platforms to make sure that it's in the right places to take advantage of. And I think with when we talk about ethical AI and the things that are out there in the market, right? Security and making sure that data is secure and isn't biased and some of those things. That's where I see that RackTop can play a big play.
Yeah, and that's why we like that's an example of why we like work with Clear, right? It's a journey. All these things, the AI journey is going to be a long one. What was a challenge or hard today will be solved next year, and then but there's going to be new challenges. And to your point, right, the first thing is getting your hands around your data, organizing that. Then the next thing's like tagging and labeling it. Then you're down that journey, and I think I'm excited about what's ahead.